Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are here, you're most likely looking to learn a little bit more about the self-aspirating syringes. By the end of this video, you will know how to assemble an anesthetic carpule and needles safely into self-aspirating syringe, how to use the self-aspirating syringe, and also how to disassemble the whole setup safely and properly. First thing we want to do is use alcohol wipe. Wipe the top and the bottom part of your anesthetic carpule that you want to use in your setup. Now hold the syringe flat on your palm and you want to drag the plunger like so towards you. In order to do that, use your thumb and the side of your forefinger to hold the syringe firmly. Pull the plunger towards you simultaneously. Then insert the metal part in first of the anesthetic carpule. Take your needle, break the seal, and gently unscrew the smaller part of the needle cap. Unscrew it till it becomes really loose for you to just drop it over the counter. You may use your syringe to help you with that. Then insert it and screw it back to the syringe really firmly till you cannot unscrew it any further. At this time, you must see if the rubber part of the anesthetic carpule and the harpoon are attached to each other, and if not, you want to give a little tap on the back because it's very essential to get the proper aspiration. Let's go over how the assistants can transfer the loaded syringe to the operator safely. In this example, the left hand would be the assistant's hand and they will hold the syringe with needle side facing them. The operator will then grasp the loaded syringe. Once they have the firm grasp, the assistant can loosen the cap a little bit and hold the top part of the needle cap. This is the cue for the operator to simply drag the syringe towards themselves and use it on the patient at this time. When operator is working alone without assistant, to prevent the needle stick injury, one can use a protector sheet. I did not have one handy today. I punched a hole in thick cardstock paper and I'm using it to show you how a protector sheet could be used. The assistant can leave the syringe loaded with short windows facing up. So when the operator pulls it out, they have the long window facing towards them and they can use the syringe like that. Now let's put it back in position and continue with our demonstration. The use of protector sheet, you hold on to the long part of the needle cap and just pull it out to drag the needle. How to use self-aspirating syringe in the mouth. In this example, tomato is being used as mouth. Insert the syringe and gently drag the plunger towards yourself. You would see clear bubbles that indicates negative aspiration. If you do not see any bubbles, that means the plunger hasn't been pulled towards yourself optimally. Inject and pull again. If you see any red, that means it's a positive aspiration which you do not want. Put back the needle in using the protector sheet. All you have to do is insert the needle, hold it vertically towards the counter surface to leverage and push it into the needle cap. If you do not have the protector sheet, you want to place the needle cap over a slanted surface so that it's off the countertop, and you use a single hand scoop technique. Insert the needle, then again use the counter surface as leverage to push the needle cap back in. Now let's disassemble the whole setup. Whatever goes in first comes out. So in this case, we pull the plunger out, take the anesthetic carpule out. Next thing is the needle. You unscrew it till it becomes loose, then simply drag it out. Put the small part of the needle cap, used carpule, and the needle goes into sharps and the syringe goes for autoclave. When using the protector sheet, unscrew the needle from the syringe and put the small part of the plastic cap back on. Now put this whole assembly upside down into the sharps container. Here I'm using the glass as sharp container and push this through the hole. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. See you next time.